Hi, this is Anthony Vanderwood with another Actifio Tech Tip. In a recent Tech Tip video, we talked about Microsoft's dynamic data masking feature. And this feature is really a redaction technology. What's redaction, you say? Well, redaction is simply a way of marking out data in a document, or in our case, a database, that you don't want a user to see. So in this example I've just grabbed off the internet, you can see big black marks through parts of this document, which apparently need to be obscured. Now, Oracle, in the Oracle database technology, in 12C and above, offer a feature they call the Oracle Data Redaction feature. Now, data redaction is different from data masking. So if you search for Oracle data masking, you may find a different product. I'm talking about what they call data redaction. There is on the Burleson Consulting website a very good tip on data redaction. You can see it's been here for a while, and it gives an example of a data redaction policy. So to show you a working example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into a database, a virtual database that I have created using an Actifio mount, and I'm going to log in twice, once as the fully privileged user and once as a very unprivileged user called dev user 3. Now, if I run a simple select against a particular person in the database, you can see in both cases, I can see the social security number. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this policy, and this policy effectively sets redaction inside the database. So it's not changing the data in the database, but what it's doing is it's saying for users of a particular level, they will not be able to see the data. So my fully privileged user can still see the data. My unprivileged user is now getting a redacted version of it. You can see that 4 of the digits here have been redacted using different both dashes and X's. Now, how can I automate this? And the answer is, if I just drag this window over to show you, if we go to github.com/Actifio, remember that's all you need to remember, github.com/Actifio, and look for the Oracle Data Redaction feature repository, you can see that there is a shell script there which will automate the redaction, and a SQL script which is actually going to contain it. So your database administrator or your security person will need to go in here and actually set the redaction policies you want, and then your Actifio administrator will automate that SQL using the shell file via an Actifio workflow, which I've shown you in previous videos. So we can basically automate redaction in virtual copies using a combination of our workflow, what we put here on GitHub, and the Oracle Data Redaction feature. Hopefully that's useful to you. Thanks for listening.